Welcome to this short and sweet yoga flow in beautiful 𝒂𝒆𝒅. This place is absolutely magical. This is the yoga shala that I'm standing in right now, and I just had to share this space with you. It's very echoey in here, but I'm hoping that you can hear me loud and clear. I did a few test shots, sounds okay, but I think it's worth it, just being in this space. We're going to do a standing yoga flow. You don't need a yoga mat for this. We're going to begin by taking a wide stance, wider than hip width apart. Ground your feet, toes pointing forward, just leaning side to side, leaning into the heels, leaning into the hips, maybe pressing the hip out to the side. Not like super exaggerated, but just enough to where you feel the body's moving. Coming back to center, inhale, reach the arms up overhead, drop the tailbone. Exhale, release the arms down, palms facing down. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, gazing forward, keep the neck long. Exhale, release the arms back down, keeping the chest lifted, spine is long. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, release the arms out to the sides. Drop your head over to the right. As you reach with your head over to the right side, reaching with your left fingertips over to the left. Bend and bring your fingertips over to your head, gently pulling as you press. Then release, coming back to center, rolling your head over to the left, bending your left elbow and bring your fingertips to your head as you gently pull and reach. Breathe in through the nose. Out through the nose. Release the arms. Release the head back to center. And we're going to airplane the arms over to the right, reaching straight up. You can reach your arm down or you can bring your hand to your hip. Reach over if that feels better. Reach over to the right with your left hand. Long neck. In through the nose. Out through the nose. Inhale, coming back up. Exhale, airplane over to the other side, reaching straight up with the right arm, reaching down with the left, or bringing your hand to your hip. Reaching up through the arm, reaching down through the outside of your right foot. Long neck. On your next inhale, coming back up. And release your arms down. You're going to cross your right foot over the left. Reach your arms overhead. Take your right hand to your left wrist. And lean into the hip a little bit. And maybe bend into your right knee. Oh, that feels so good. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, slowly coming back to center. Uncross the legs. Release the hands. Release the hands. Take your left leg, cross it, cross it, cross it, cross it, cross it, cross it over the right. Take both arms overhead. Left hand grabs the right wrist. Pull and then reach over to the left side. Oh, maybe bending the left knee a little bit. This feels so good. Breathe. Use the breath to help you open up the body. One more deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, coming back to center. Uncross the feet. Release the hands, bringing them down. Bring the feet together or hip width apart. Take your hands to your hips. Inhale, reach your heart up. Exhale, fold. And and fold forward, getting into the back of the legs. Oh yeah. Hands to your shins or hands to the floor or fingertips to the floor. Slight bend in the knees. Release your head and just let it hang. As you breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Release your head. Let it hang, maybe shaking yes and no. Or side to side, shake it out. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway, hands to shins, reaching the crown of the head forward, reaching the tailbone back, belly in. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, press into the feet, reaching all the way back up. As you exhale, bring your arms out to the sides. We're going to take a wide step out with both feet. Hands to your hips, toes pointing forward, heels pointing back. Inner rotation, slight inner rotation of the thigh. Inhale, reaching up with the heart. Exhale, bending and folding forward. Going deeper into the hips, release your hands to the floor. Release your head. If you're reaching the floor, bend your elbows and point them back 90 degrees. And if this feels really easy for you, you can start walking your hands backwards. And if you find that your head touches the floor, bring the space in between your feet a little shorter. So walk your feet in. And give your spine more space to lengthen down towards the floor. Slowly inhale, walk your hands forward, lift yourself up, bending into the knees. So we're going to bring the heels in, bend into the knees for a deep squat, and then walk over, lift the right heel, walk over to the right, maybe extend through the left. That feels nice. Stay here, or maybe reach your left arm up and over, opening the chest, lifting up to the ceiling. Oh, and releasing back down, coming into the center, deep squat. Spider-Man your way over to the other side, extending through the right leg, lifting on to the heel. Be careful, you don't want to pull anything. Be really gentle with your body. Don't force anything, don't push anything. Stay here, or reaching up with the right arm. Looking up, opening the chest towards the ceiling, towards the sky. And exhale, coming back down, making your way to the center, straightening both legs. This time, bringing your hands behind you. Release the head, interlacing the fingers, rolling the shoulders back, and making space to rotate your palms to face out. Press into the heels, release your head. Deep breath in through the nose. Maybe reaching your arms forward. It feels good, only if it feels good. Inhale, bend into the knees, and we're going to lift ourselves up. Release the arms out to the side. Bring your heels in, toes pointing out. Reach the arms up, exhale, hands to heart center, coming into goddess pose. You can keep your hands here or reach your arms out to the side and then press into those heels. Press your pelvis forward, belly in, lift your heart, lengthen the spine. Feel the energy, that fire of the goddess, burning, coming up through your legs, into your heart, out through your arms and fingertips. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose. Inhale, reach the arms up, sink down into the hips, and inhale, lengthen, straighten both legs, reaching to one side. Reaching to the other side. Coming back to center. Heel toe the feet in. Coming into Tadasana, mountain pose. Hands to heart center. Taking a moment of gratitude. Bringing your thumbs to your third eye. And bowing down. Honoring this moment, this time together. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Feeling all the love, all the good vibes in this place. If you liked this video, if you like flowing with me, give me a little love with your thumb. Hit the subscribe button because there will be more and more and more videos like this just for you, made just for you. And that's it for this video. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video.